Friends, today Cabinet has given a note to the bill, or there are the following notes have been put on the forum. Hide Cabinet note for cryptocurrency, which is likely to be shown. This is a this is an information which is coming on the news, and on the basis of this news I'm sharing. I'm CA Nitin Pathak, President of ISACA Chapter Ahmedabad. My email address is this is a sequel of presentation on cryptocurrency. First presentation is what is likely to come on the bill. Now today actually the cryptocurrency bill has been put on the board of cabinet on the basis of this certain information available which I am sharing with this. And tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm going to talk on the cryptocurrency sequel, point number 1, which is how cryptocurrency is actually working, and what are the base and how you can invest, and what different currency has got that, which I'm going to talk in a day or two. With this, I'm going to next slide, please. Now, cryptocurrency is not going to be banned. That is cocksure. So the cryptocurrency will be going to stay in the market. There are so many cryptocurrencies. There are 3 crypto exchange in India, and at world level, the number of cryptocurrencies used so rapidly. So India is accepting the cryptocurrency as it is. They are not rejecting it. They are not banning it. The note also says that cryptocurrency will not be recognized as a legal currency in the India. Number 1, it will not be considered as cryptocurrency, but legislation would describe cryptocurrency as a crypto asset, and it will be taxed accordingly. Crypto asset will be dealt with the existing crypto exchange platform, which will be regulated by SEBI. आज जो भी crypto exchange है, it will be coming under SEBI guidelines, and it will be handled by SEBI only. So there won't be any new noding agency for that. जो crypto exchange है would be handled by SEBI. A cutoff date will be prescribed for those having crypto asset to declare the same and bring under crypto exchange platform, which will be regulated by the market regulator. Suppose somebody has got a cryptocurrency, but he is not linked with any crypto exchange, but there would be a date declared, and that by that time he is to register with crypto exchange. जैसे तुम्हारे पास रिलायंस का शेयर है, तो रिलायंस शेयर would be controlled by some of the exchanges. जैसे Bitcoin है, Bitcoin would be, suppose you have a Bitcoin and it is registered, it is with you. Now this Bitcoin will be registered in BSE or NSE. तो आपको BSE और NSE में, suppose मेरे पास, my name is NMP, I've got Bitcoin, I've got 1000 Bitcoin. Okay. 1000 is a too much. 1000 is a very, I become very rich because today Bitcoin price is around 4,000, 4 lakh, 4 lakh something. So if I got 1000, but in short, my name is NMP. I have to give my PAN card. I have to give my other card. On the basis of that, SEBI, the BSE or NSE would register my crypto in my demat account, and I would have a 1000 crypto, and crypto would be denominated in even multiple of not only 1000 but point wise also. So I have to register my cutoff date. Before cutoff date, I have to register my crypto with some stock exchanges. The proposed virtual currency by the RBI has not been clubbed with the new crypto bill. इन्होंने ये जो वर्चुअल करेंसी है इसको क्रिप्टो बिल के साथ में, आरबीआई के साथ में जोड़ा नहीं है. However, the central bank will regulate a cryptocurrency. As a deterrent for those who are using crypto this asset for terror related activity, जो पहले जो लोगों के दिमाग में था कि ये 2 नंबर के पैसे रखने की जगह है, वो टेरर रिलेटेड एक्टिविटी है, it would be monitored by prevention of money laundering bill and will not be in PMLA, the proper arrangement rectification would be there. The risk of cryptocurrency going in wrong hands is going to be monitored. जैसे cryptocurrency है, it would be used by क्या बोलते हैं, only politician or government official or terrorist activity will be monitored strictly. The minister will also be stated that there is no decision. जो क्रिप्टो की जो ऐड आती थे, that will continue for a while on this. With this, I'm coming to a conclusion of cabinet note on this. I'm just skipping it fast. It would be cryptocurrency will not be mined. It would be not be recognized as legal currency. Cryptocurrency would be considered as crypto asset. Crypto asset should be declared in the stock exchange, and the crypto stock exchange would be regulated by SEBI. The proposed activity will be crypto asset will be handled by RBI. Central bank will regulate the cryptocurrency. Any illegal activity will be monitored under PMLA. Risk of going into wrong head will be monitored, and the advertisement will not be banned, but it will be regulated. With this, I'm coming to a conclusion. With this, I'm a past president of ISACA chapter, immediate past president, and we are going to conduct so many Zoom free seminar every Friday on the different subject. Please join it. One of the subject is on 10th SOP, Standard Operating Procedure of Bank System Audit, IT Act and Corporate Responsibility by Satya Godgo, Value-Based System Audit by Hemang Doshi, Cryptocurrency Pros and Cons by C. Nitin Pathak, Tips of Trading in Share and FNO by Bhaumik Kantharia, Security Smith by Manish Nayak, and Liability of Internet Intermediary under Advocate Abichal Sinha, Cyber Security. All our presentation is available on blog C. Nitin M. Pathak, blogspot.com, and also presentation available in YouTube C. Nitin Pathak. With this, next 10th Friday, we are going to have an audit on SOP on this. With this, I'm coming to a conclusion of this talk. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you soon.